Hello, our group 2, subgroup 4 will be explaining about photosynthesis and energy conversion for the subject STB1083 Biochemistry. First, what is photosynthesis? Photosynthesis is a fundamental biological process by which autotrophic organisms such as plants, algae, and certain bacteria capture light energy and convert it into stable chemical energy.
Yeah, the three importance of photosynthesis. First, photosynthesis produces oxygen. Humans and other aerobic organisms need it to breathe and to carry out cellular respiration, which provide energy. Second, photosynthesis is the foundation of food web. Plants use sunlight to produce glucose, which is the main source of energy. This energy is then passed on herbivore when they eat the plant and to carnivore and omnivore. Because of this, photosynthesis forms the base of nearly every food chain on Earth. Third, photosynthesis helps regulate carbon dioxide level. Plants absorb large amount of carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. This process helps regulate Earth climate and reduce the effect of global warming.
I will talk about the photosynthesis process and also the equation that we will use for this process. First, photosynthesis is to produce the food for the plants. So what we need to produce food for the plant is three things, which is water, carbon dioxide, and the presence of sunlight. For the equation, we need carbon dioxide CO2 plus with water H2O with the presence of sunlight that will produce glucose and oxygen. This will contribute energy for the plant for the basic process of living for the plants to undergo their life.
Photosynthesis is the process plants use to make their own food using sunlight. It produces two main products, which is glucose and oxygen. Glucose is a type of sugar, and plants use glucose as a source of energy for respiration, which help them to grow and survive. Glucose is also used to make cellulose for strong cell walls, and it can be stored as starch for later uses. In addition, plants use glucose to make other substances like fats and proteins. Oxygen is the second product of photosynthesis, and it is released into the air as a waste product. Plant uses some of this oxygen for respiration, and the rest is used by animals and humans to breathe. Overall, photosynthesis provides food for plants and oxygen for life on Earth.
Let's move on into the energy conversion during photosynthesis. Photosynthesis converts light energy into the chemical energy and store it in glucose through two main stages, which is known as light-dependent reaction and light-independent reaction, which is known as Calvin cycle. The light-dependent reactions will occur in thylakoid, and the light-independent reactions or the Calvin cycle will occur in stroma.
The energy produced during photosynthesis is stored as chemical energy in glucose. Plants use this energy for respiration, which provide energy for growth, repair, and reproduction. Animal and human obtain this energy by consuming plant or plant-based food. During digestion or respiration, the stored chemical energy is released to support movement, body function, and metabolism. Therefore, the energy from photosynthesis flow from plant to all other organisms, making plant the primary source of energy in nearly all ecosystems.